Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Khalil Arabi. I am director at School of Professional Advancement in the University of Management and Technology. The school was established to, as I told earlier, the school was established to serve the wide audience of professionals. At the school, we offer a differentiated pedagogy. In our pedagogy, we offer case studies in the classrooms, we offer forum discussions in the classroom, we encourage students to share their experience, professional experience with the other students, and the teacher guides the students to learn with each other, guides the students to grow, to expand their own feelings, to expand their own knowledge and share among the peers and groom themselves and let the opportunity be flourished that the other people learn from them as well. The pedagogy of the School of Professional Advancement is designed at experiential learning, at learning by doing. We offer students dedicated environment where professionals get the opportunity to share their knowledge with their peers, to share their knowledge with their teacher, and the teacher encourage the students to discuss with each other the acquired professional field experience and also to the knowledge provided by the teacher to the students, where the students interact with each other and bring a learning environment which make them confident, which make them helpful to grow further in their fields, to grow further in their career. As a matter of fact, SPA don't have any competitor in the market. In any university, we do not see any example of professional advancement schools. A dedicated professional advancement school does not exist anywhere in other universities in Pakistan. Yes, that model is available in the foreign universities, in US universities, in UK and in German universities. We have witnessed that there are dedicated schools for the growth of professionals. The idea of School of Professional Advancement was purely by our great mentor Dr. Hassan Suhaib Murad Shaheed, who conceived the idea of establishing School of Professional Advancement to serve the wider audience of professionals in Pakistani audience. We are different in other business schools. Well, we are professional schools, but we do offer a wide variety of courses, degrees programs, certification programs, diploma programs to cater every sector, to cater every field of professional, where we have dedicated resources and where we have dedicated teachers who serve our students, who serve our professionals to be better professional, to a groomed professional in their career life. At SPA, we have wider array of programs which we offer to the industry and to the professional world. We have MS level degree programs in the area of education, in the area of project management, in the area of marketing, in the area of marketing communication, and we have 16 years master programs in our offer, which we provide opportunity to the professionals who are working in the field with their bachelor degrees. We offer them to complete their bachelor degrees, to convert their bachelor degree into 16 years master program. Still, HEC has given us a provision to offer 16 years master degree programs. On the other hand, we have launched another degree program named as BPS, Bachelor in Professional Studies. That program is again dedicated for the professionals who go into the field very early in their age, after completing their intermediate or something like that, and then they want to improve their qualification by joining a university for a bachelor level degree. That BPS program is specialized bachelor program which is competency based. We offer students different opportunities to work with the industry in the shape of internship, in the shape of projects, in the shape of practicum. We offer these bachelor level students to interact with the industry at a very early level, at a very early stage. That BPS is especially for the completion of 16 years bachelor program. Then on the table we have many certification programs and many diploma programs. So SPA is offering a wide range of programs for the professional community to be engaged. Since its inception in 2009, SPA has achieved marvelous growth. When SPA was started in 2009, it has early total number of students were around 200, but now at this moment, after 11 years of journey, SPA has crossed over 10,000 students registered in our various programs, including certificates and diplomas and everything. So the growth perspective is very important for SPA, where we have students in wide variety, wide area of professional sectors. Number one. Number two, we are engaged with the wider community of industry, wider community of business through interaction with projects. Our projects are really breakthrough for the industry. Students go into the industry and do the practical problem solving of the industry. We have received many appreciation from the industry for the brilliant work done by our students. Then at the table we have many conferences. SPA has the opportunity to interact with international organizations like Stratex Paris, like PMI in US. We are the study center for SHRM in Pakistan. We are the first study center for SHRM in Pakistan. Our Master in Human Resource Management is the first degree which was recognized by SHRM USA as the aligned curriculum of SHRM. Skills are very important in present time, as we believe that every skill has certain age. Students and professionals, they need to groom themselves, they need to polish their skills to bring their skill level, their competency level at par with the industry. School of Professional Advancement is highly skill focused, is highly skill oriented. We are preparing our professionals for 21st century skills. We do not want to have stagnancy in the skill offering. We want that our student, our professionals, the people who are enrolled in our schools, they must be at par in the industry. People should benchmark our professionals, and that has happened in past, that students from School of Professional Advancement has created landmark achievements in their career growth, in their professional life. So this orientation of skills is very important, and we pay full attention that our students get the relevant skills and also the updated skill, that they should be ready to serve sectors in which they want to go. Thank you.